Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bird dust is a white powder produced by the feathers that are closest to the skin. This powder helps keep your bird's feathers soft and silky. As a result, African greys, cockatoos, cockatiels and Amazons that produce this powder are called powder down birds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Although bird breeder's lung is the most common version of hypersensitivity pneumonitis, it is not a problem for most bird owners. For some bird owners, however, repeated exposure to proteins found in bird dust, feather particles, or droppings can cause serious damage to lungs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Psittacosis is an uncommon infectious disease that is most often transmitted to humans through exposure to infected birds, especially parrots, cockatiels, parakeets and similar pet birds. Psittacosis can affect the lungs and may cause inflammatory illness of the lungs, pneumonia.
Let's help you make your mark.
However, all birds are very dangerous for people with lung problems. There's a condition called chicken coop poop, or something like that, which basically means that their droppings are toxic to be around. As well, their dander is as well toxic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.